Hi guys, this is Dean Wenzel with Wenzel Paintings. Hey, I'm glad you joined my channel today, and I'm hoping that you really enjoy what you see here. I grew up in the Pacific Northwest, and God created a lot of beautiful scenery around here, and that's my inspiration. And I'll bet where you live, there's a lot of inspiration for you there as well. There's going to be a lot of different tutorials, lessons, ideas, tips, and tricks on this channel, so you keep tuning in because I think you'll get a lot out of it. And sometimes I'll be showing you some kind of cool ideas of creative things that you can do that maybe a traditional painter hasn't done before. I'll show you some of that stuff, and just little tips and tricks that I've picked up along the way too. So once in a while I'll be showing some actual paintings that I do, and I'll walk you through how you can do those as well. So if you're new to painting, this is definitely the place to go, and we'll learn a lot. If you're kind of an expert at it, or you're just kind of into it for a while, again, this is the place to go. And mostly I'm interested in your feedback, so use those comments down at the bottom if you've got some feedback for me on how I can be better, or questions about how you can do things in a better way. Use those comments down at the bottom. Subscribe to my channel for sure, and click the like button. Okay, let's keep this going, and have a good one.